Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 Jaguar F-Type. In the realm of luxury convertibles for 2024, the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible emerges as a standout contender, blending exquisite design, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology. With its timeless styling and dynamic capabilities, the latest F-Type convertible continues to captivate enthusiasts and aficionados alike. The 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible offers a range of powerful engine options designed to deliver thrilling performance and refined efficiency. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 296 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, providing spirited acceleration and responsive handling. For those seeking even more power, the F-Type R Dynamic variant boasts a supercharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a formidable 380 horsepower and 339 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and precise shifts. Performance is at the heart of the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible's appeal. Its lightweight aluminum construction, sport-tuned suspension, and rear-wheel drive configuration deliver exceptional handling and agility. The precise steering and powerful braking system further enhance its dynamic capabilities, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. The available all-wheel drive system, standard on higher trims, enhances traction and stability, providing confidence-inspiring performance in various driving conditions. Design-wise, the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible exudes elegance and sophistication. Its sleek lines, sculpted bodywork, and distinctive grille make a bold statement on the road. The power-operated convertible top can be raised or lowered in just 12 seconds, allowing for seamless transitions between enclosed comfort and open-air freedom. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, with premium materials, ergonomic controls, and advanced technology. The available configurable ambient lighting and premium audio system ensure a personalized and immersive driving experience. Technology and connectivity are seamlessly integrated into the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible. The Touch Pro infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display and intuitive interface, provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with ease. The available Meridian sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, while advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring enhance safety and peace of mind. Competing in the luxury convertible segment, the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible faces rivals such as the Porsche 718 Boxster, BMW Z4, and Audi TT Roadster. The Porsche 718 Boxster offers exceptional handling and performance, the BMW Z4 combines luxury with sportiness, and the Audi TT Roadster boasts sophisticated design and advanced technology. In conclusion, the 2024 Jaguar F-Type Convertible stands out as a top choice in the luxury convertible market, offering a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and technology. Whether for exhilarating drives or leisurely cruises, the F-Type Convertible delivers an unmatched open-air driving experience, reaffirming Jaguar's commitment to luxury and innovation.